we see the crucial weighing stage. The brushed stainless steel platform utilizes advanced pressure plates to guarantee precise data. Advanced precision engineering ensures controlled momentum as the motorized rollers transport the carcass to the processing area. A precision bleeding channel is crucial for modern hide and meat processing. The stainless steel collection system beneath the animal ensures efficient processing.
The elevated conveyor rail transports the carcass with controlled momentum toward the next zone, showcasing the precision of modern meat processing. The process begins with the automated hide puller, where precision blades make the initial controlled openings along the predefined lines.
Using advanced hydraulics, the machine precisely separates the valuable hide. Notice the textured
Utilizing laser guidance and a cooled blade, the robotic arm makes the initial precise incision before evisceration begins.
Temperature regulation is critical. Chilled air circulates evenly around the carcass surfaces, monitored by these digital.
Temperature regulation is crucial. Chilled air circulates evenly around the carcass surfaces.
Focusing on the surface aging of the Limousin carcass, we observe the subtle color shifts and the formation of fine frost crystals in the cold storage. This stage finalizes the modern hide and meat processing loop. The synchronized motion of the robotic arm The automated quartering saw ensures a clean separation of the carcass sections, maximizing yield with unparalleled precision.
As the primal section transfers from the overhead hook, the locking clasps release, and the conveyor rollers engage.
Limousin Cow Slaughterhouse process explained. Modern hide and meat processing.
Here we see the vacuum-sealed packages passing through the integrity verification rollers, ensuring quality assurance and flow control. The final step is vacuum sealing. The pressure plates descend, air is extracted, and the heat seal bars act.
As the cut passes beneath the optical scanners, the system ensures accurate grading and standardization.
The final stage of processing involves automated palletizing. The robotic arm precisely plates.
Compartment 4 is steady at minor 18.
Perfect, we can lock it down.